Just a quick repair on this 1991 GSX R750. It's got a couple chips in the gas tank up top on the black. The only thing that was kind of bad is it got into the decal.
Going to be doing a 91 GSXR. We're going to try to keep as much original as we can. It's got stuff like, chips.
So the tank has some chips on it. To fix those, we're going to touch them up. Then we're going to fill that with clear and sand the clear smooth, and then we'll paint it. So I got the black touch up on there now. I'm going to put clear on it and sand that smooth. That's just so I can minimize the paint area. If I sand that and prime it, that would take that spot, by the time you get primer on it, pretty big. So it really makes the fix area a lot smaller. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking the video out, especially if you stayed all the way to the end. That was just a quick repair. We usually do a lot more to that to these bikes, so it's nice getting one that you can just knock out really fast. But if you like motorcycle content, please check out the rest of the channel. Just a couple photos of some of the bikes we had lately.